Introducing the Yale Libi, the digital lock that redefines simplicity and security. No need for apps or smart home setups. Instead, enjoy reliable access through PIN codes and keys, offering a practical and secure solution. The Yale Libi lock set includes both a digital deadbolt and digital lever, allowing you to effortlessly replace your existing lock with just a screwdriver. It features keyless entry with a mechanical override, a proximity sensor that activates the backlit LED keypad for nighttime access. Additionally, the lock includes a temporary passage mode, which disables the auto lock function, allowing you to move in and out freely without the risk of locking yourself out. The digital deadbolt shares all these features and also includes the one-touch lock, a quick solution that lets you secure your door with a single tap. With Yale Libi, experience simplicity, reliability, and peace of mind in every touch.